Moon in Libra. We're seeking balance and harmony in our environments and our interactions from strength of character. So from the inner world, seeking harmony with environments and interactions. We're more susceptible to our lunar ups and downs in this cycle. So for a couple of days, we're going to be susceptible to what we would typically expect of moon rhythms. We can also have mixed signals causing frustrations, which can madden us. So, we spoke about that in Venus in Virgo, and hopefully the practices were supportive. So frustrations, which can be maddening, mixed signals, yet we'll want to weigh up our options. Practices then to support you. I think we should be setting our intention for harmony for humanity and for our practice in Sitting Zazen of our own wisdom and life knowledge. During this transit, as I know it's going to be a bit tricky, say the least. It shouldn't be with Libra, but there we go. Libra is always trying to get into harmony, not necessarily in harmony. If anything else, if I tune into other practices as we go through the rhythms that I think will help and support you, then I will upload them and post as usual to the social media. Namaste. This is for your healing. This is Susan for the SuZen teachings, and please do check the description box below, and the link is there for your donations, which are always gratefully received. Namaste.